Welcome back. In this chapter, we're gonna understand how snapshots work. The snapshot is a kind of screenshot of the VM if you want to make any changes to guess the system and then go back to the previous state without formatting again. Just create a snapshot. It is a timeline with several restart points, giving us security and also agility because it is possible to create a clone of a VM from a snapshot without having to format a new VM, just using the snapshot as a template. So here we go, create a snapshot. Click on VM where the snapshot will be taken. Then click on this icon and then snapshots. On this screen, just click on the create button. Give the snap name like as first snapshot. If you need, you can put a description here. Click OK. And so here is our first snap. And from here, I can create a clone. Click on the ship dolly. I think I understand that reference. And it is also possible to start from the snap without considering the changes after it was created. Bye and see you soon.